order to secure a good rank in NEET exam, the minimum criteria that is needed, that is above 340 or 350. Right now this is the time you must have noted terminologies, keywords, questions. Try giving more and more mock tests wherever, whenever you are appearing for class test or mock test. Try to create miniature NEET environment. Hello students, if you want to cross the barrier or break the resistance, then you need to follow this strategy. Yes, I know that as a student, most of you are feeling that we are good, we are master of biology, but just after giving the mock papers or exams, you are feeling that I'm not able to cross 300 or 280 or 310 or 320. But in order to secure a good rank in NEET exam, the minimum criteria, the minimum score that is needed, that you need to score in biology, that is above 340 or 350. So 350 plus marks in biology can boost your rank as well as can decide your NEET ranking. So let's check those points. First, for the last time, to give the final touch, you have to revise the NCERT again and again. I know that many of you already have revised for 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, but once again you need to read it out in a fruitful manner. Secondly, you need to practice daily basis minimum 200 to 300 questions. It may be chapter wise, it may be unit wise, it may be class wise. And while you are practicing questions, do not forget to practice more and more lengthier questions like match the column, statement based questions, assertion and reason type question, and do not forget to frame your own questions while you are reading the NCERT line by line. Next, recapping all the pain points. Yes, you just have to recap your last 2 or 3 years. Right now this is the time, this is the 11th hour, and you must have noted them down, the hard terminologies, the tough keywords, or the important questions where you have already failed to answer those. Now this is the time you have to gather all those mistakes, all those troubles, and you have to break them one by one. Next, avoid new or out of NCERT information, avoid new learnings for the time being. Remember this, and starting with the high weighted chapters while you will be revising, start your preparation, start your revision with high weighted chapters like biotechnology unit, genetics unit, biomolecules or reproduction. Next, try giving more and more mock tests wherever, whenever you are appearing for class test or mock test. It's online or offline, or you are just giving at your home. Try to create miniature or a dummy NEET environment. Okay, do not compromise with your learning outcomes, and give a race with your watch and the ticking time, and ultimately that will put you in a place where you will feel ahead and confident while you are just giving the NEET exam at that point of time. You know that quiet and calm sea never can prepare a good sailor.